What is Salesforce? Salesforce is a comprehensive CRM platform designed to help businesses manage their customer relationships, sales processes, and various other aspects of their operations. It offers a wide range of tools and features including Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, and App Exchange. The platform's flexibility and scalability make it suitable for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. Salesforce is a cloud-based platform, which means clients don't need to install any software locally. Instead, users access Salesforce through an internet browser, making it easy to use from anywhere with an internet connection. This approach eliminates the need for on-premises hardware and software maintenance, offering several benefits like cost efficiency, simplified deployment, and management. Salesforce also provides marketing automation and artificial intelligence capabilities. Salesforce's marketing automation tools are primarily delivered through Salesforce Marketing Cloud, and Salesforce's AI capabilities are integrated through Salesforce Einstein. The marketing automation and AI capabilities enhance Salesforce's CRM offering by improving efficiency, personalizing customer experiences, and providing deeper insights into business operations. They help businesses automate routine tasks, make data-driven decisions, and deliver more targeted and effective marketing campaigns. Salesforce provides services as SaaS and as well as PaaS. Salesforce is best known for its SaaS offerings. This means that users access the software applications over the internet, without needing to install or maintain any hardware or software on their own servers. PaaS in the Salesforce platform allows developers to build and deploy custom applications and extensions within the Salesforce ecosystem. This platform provides the tools and infrastructure needed to create custom applications and integrate them with Salesforce's core services. Salesforce uses multi-tenant architecture, that is, sharing a single application service among multiple clients. This makes Salesforce cost-effective, scalable, and reliable cloud-based CRM. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.